Rustlers burgers.
You know what I'm talking about. Those cheap microwavable burgers that are shamefully satisfying. Yet satisfying as they may be, it doesn't change the fact that they're stodgy, heavily processed, and leave you with a profoundly low opinion of yourself.
But I'm not here to tell you that Rustler burgers are shit. You already know that. I'm here to see if we can make a Rustlers burger gourmet.
So what we're looking for here is a Rustlers burger on steroids. The kind of burger they show on the box, unlike the wet sock you get when you open it up. To accompany our burger, we're going to be caramelising some onions, crisping up some bacon, and melting some mature cheddar over the top of the burger.
So first you're going to want to prepare your onions, chop them into nice thin slices. Then once you've done that, you can start to prep your cheese. Then get your salad ready. Two lettuce leaves and 2 slices of tomato, cut nice and thin.
Take a little bit of olive oil, drizzle it in your pan. So make sure your pan's nice and hot. Then the first thing that you're going to want to do is put your bacon in there.
Now what we're doing here is we're rendering the fat from the bacon so that we can use that bacon fat to caramelise our onions.
Don't forget your salt and pepper. Toast your buns in the pan. When you're near the end of the process, put all the ingredients, except for your salad, back in the pan to warm them all through.
So there you have it, guys. An attempt to save a Rustler's burger by making it gourmet. Let's see what we're dealing with. Shit! So, as expected, this is really fucking good. The bacon, very crispy. So is the bread. The bread and the bacon combined give this thing a real crispy edge. Onions just provide this nice sweetness to it. It's almost like it isn't even a Russell's burger, you know. No bite of this. I mean, you can hear the crisp. Shit, man. You know, the actual burger itself is so buried under the flavours and textures of the filling, the accompanying garnishes. I think you could give this to someone and they'd be so distracted by the filling, not by the burger. They'd think they were eating something really special. Seriously. So it's time for the final verdict, guys. Can you save a Rustlers burger with gourmet burger shit? Well, yeah. Should you? Probably not. Just get a normal burger. It's the Rustlers aspect of it is just letting it down. Thanks for watching this special edition episode of Imperium Reviews. I'm going to scran this down and I'm going to have a little drink.